Okay, the spotlight's on. You gotta be cute some more. Do the leg kick thing. There you go. Getting your exercise for the day. Hey, Alyssa. Alyssa, can you give us a big smile? Too busy kicking your legs? I think I saw a smile. I think some little girl's having fun. Work those legs. Are you waving to us? Are you waving? Are you waving to everybody? There you go. You're just moving all of your limbs, aren't you? You're just dancing away, aren't you? Okay, say bye, everybody. Bye, I love you. Bye, everybody. Are you laughing? Say bye. Are you having a good time? You having a good time with your Aunt Brookie? Do I have evidence?